Now the first question of linear equation says the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of digits is 99. If tens digit is 3 more than the unit digit, then find the number. So first of all, let the two-digit number be xy respectively. So therefore two-digit number will be 10x plus y and reverse number is 10y plus x. So he is saying that sum of both the reversed and the original number is 99. So 11x plus 11y equal to 99. If I divide everything with 11, I will get x plus y equal to 9. So this is first. And also it is said that between tens and unit place the difference is 3. So this is second one. Now adding 1 and 2, I will get x plus y equal to 9 and x minus y equal to 3. When I add, I will get 2x, y will get cancelled equal to 12. So therefore I can say x equal to 12 upon 2, that is 6. Therefore x equal to 6. Now putting x equal to 6 into putting x equal to 6 into 6 minus y equal to 3. Therefore y equal to 6 minus 3. So therefore y equal to 3. Therefore original number is 10x plus y, that is 63, and reverse number is 10y plus x, that is 36. Now second question says places A and B are 180 km apart on a highway. One car starts and another car starts from B at the same time. So he is saying okay, one car starts from A point and the other starts from B point on the same time. If the car travels in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 9 hours. If they travel towards each other with the same speed as before, they meet in an hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? So here let me say let the speed of first car let the speed of first car be x kilometer per hour and second car be y kilometer per hour. If traveling in same direction, now, first let us understand the situation. This is A point, this is B point. They are 180 kilometer apart. Now, in this case, this is A, this is B point, and this is C point. Suppose this is 180 kilometer. One car is starting from here, one car is starting from here, and they meet after 9 hours. So, if traveling in same direction, distance traveled by first car, they are meeting at C point. So distance traveled will be AC, that is AB plus BC. So how I will find that distance, and distance traveled by second car is BC. So difference of distance traveled will be AB plus BC. minus BC. So that is AB. So that is 180 kilometer. So distance traveled by first car minus distance traveled by second car is 180 kilometer. So speed of first car, now it is traveling for 9 hours. So into 9 hours minus speed of second car. This car is also traveling for 9 hours, equal to 180 kilometer. So I can say 9x minus 9y equal to 180. If I divide everything with 9, I will get x minus y equal to 20. So this is my first equation. Now, the second case is, suppose this is A point and this is B point, and this distance is 180 kilometer, and one car is starting from here, the second in the opposite direction. So they meet at 2 hours. Oh, sorry, 1 hour. They are meeting in 1 hour. So if traveling in opposite direction, distance, and let me give this point as D. Distance traveled by first car is AD, and distance traveled by second car is BD. Sum of distance traveled equal to AD plus BD, which is equal to 180 kilometer, because the difference between the distance was 180 kilometer. Or the total distance between A and B point was 180 kilometer. So distance traveled by first car in 1 hour plus, sorry, the distance traveled by first car plus distance traveled by second car will be 180 kilometer. So speed of first car into 1 hour plus speed of second car into 1 hour equal to 180 kilometer. So therefore I can say x plus y equal to 180. This is second. Now adding 1 plus 2, so I will get x minus y equal to 20 and x plus y equal to 180. If I add them, y got cancelled, so 2x equal to 200. So x equal to 100. So speed of first car is 100 kilometer per hour, and putting x equal to 100 into, so 100 plus y equal to 180. So therefore y equal to 80 kilometer per hour. Therefore speed of first car which is x kilometer per hour will be 100 kilometer per hour, and speed of second car which is equal to y kilometer per hour will be 80 kilometer per hour. Third question says the sum of two numbers is 18 and the sum of their reciprocals is 9 upon 40. Find the number. So let the numbers be If I suppose one number is x, so then other is 18 minus x. So now it is given 1 upon x plus 1 upon 18 minus x equal to 9 by 40. If I do LCM on LHS side, x into 18 minus x. So 18 minus x plus x equal to 9 upon 40. So x cancel. So 18 into 40 equal to 9x into 18 minus x. So 720 equal to 162x minus 9x square. So therefore, if bringing all the sides on one side, so 9x square minus 162x plus 720 equal to 0. Dividing everything with x, so with the 9, so x square minus 18x plus 80 equal to 0. So therefore, x square, now splitting the middle term, 80 having such whose sum is 18. So minus 10x minus 8x plus 80 equal to 0. So taking x common, so x minus 10, taking minus 8 common, so x minus 10 equal to 0. So two factors I got, x minus 10 and x minus 8 equal to 0. So therefore either x equal to 10 or x equal to 8. So therefore x equal to 10 or 8. So therefore numbers are 8 or. Now next question says the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. This is a 5-mark question. So let the cost of one bat be rupees X and one ball be rupees Y. So now according to the situation, first equation will be 7x plus 6y equal to 3800. So this will be the first equation. Second will be 3x plus 5y equal to 1750. Now if I multiply first one with 3 and second one with 7, so 3 into equation 1 implies 21x plus 18y equal to 11400, and 7 multiplied by 2 implies 21x plus 35y equal to 12250. Now subtracting both the equations, that is second equation I am subtracting from the first one. So 21x get cancelled. So minus 17y equal to minus 850. So minus minus both sides got cancelled. So y equal to 850 upon 17. So y equal to 50. Now I got y equal to 50, putting y equal to 50 in 1, putting y equal to 50 in 1. So I will get 7x plus 6 into 50 equal to 3800. So 7x plus 300 equal to 3800. So 7x equal to 3500. So x equal to 3500 divided by 7. So that is 500. So therefore cost of each bat equal to x, which is equal to rupees 500, and cost of each ball equal to y equal to rupees 50. Now next question says a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So first let us suppose fixed charge for 3 days be rupees X and additional charge per day, that is after 3 days, be rupees Y. So Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book for 7 days. So that will be fixed charge for 3 days plus number of additional days kept into multiply by additional charge per day. So the equation will become x plus 7 minus 3 because totally 7 days and 3 days were fixed into y equal to 27. So I can say x plus 4y equal to 27. So let me give this as first equation. Also, Susie paid rupees 21 for a book kept for 5 days. So similarly, Susie's charge will be x plus 5 minus 3y equal to 21. So that implies x plus 2y equal to 21. Now two equations I have got 1 and 2. Solving them by elimination method, 1 implies x plus 4y equal to 27. 2 implies x plus 2y equal to 21. If I subtract them, so x got cancelled, so 2y equal to 6, so y will be 3. Now putting y equal to 3, y equal to 3 in 2. So x plus 2 into 3 equal to 21. So x equal to 21 minus 6. So x will be 15 rupees. So I can say therefore fixed charge is rupees 15 for 3 days and additional charge per day is y, which is equal to rupees 3. Now the next question says the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. If the digit of the two number differ by 2, find the number. So let the unit place be x and tens place digit by. So original number x plus 10y and reverse number 10x plus y. Now he is saying the sum of both is 66. So x plus 10y plus 10x plus y equal to 66. So therefore 11x plus 11y equal to 66. So x plus y equal to 6. So that is one number. Now also the difference of both the numbers is 2. So x minus y equal to 2. So this is second. Solving 1 and 2, 1 implies x plus y equal to 6, 2 implies x minus y equal to 2. Adding both, y got cancelled, so 2x equal to 8. So x equal to 4. So now I got x equal to 4. Putting x equal to 4 in 1. So y will be 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Therefore, the number is 42 or 24. Now next question says solve the following system of linear equations graphically. X plus 2y equal to minus 3, 2x minus 3y equal to minus 8. So first of all I am giving them the number to solve. This is 1, this is 2 equation. Now I need to find the solution x and y. At least 3 points I need to find to plot the graph. So x and y. So for this I can say 2y equal to minus 3 minus x. So y will be minus 3 minus x upon 2. So if I put 0 as x, so the answer will be minus 3 by 2. If I put 1, so minus 3 minus 1 will be minus 4 divided by 2. So minus 2. And if I put minus 1, so minus of minus will be plus. So minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2. Minus 2 upon 2 will be minus 1. Same way, if I make here the table, now here I can say 3y will be equal to 2x plus 8. So y will be 2x plus 8 by 3. Now, if I put 0 first, so 2 into 0 will be 0. So 0 plus 8 will be 8, 8 upon 3. So my answer will be 8 upon 3. Same way, if I put half, so 2 into half will be 1. 1 plus 8 will be 9. 9 divided by 3 will be 3. And if I put 2, so 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 divided by 3 will be 4. So I got 3 points. Now I need to plot them and show it on the. Now eighth question says solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24 and hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus c. So the equations given to me is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Let me give it first number, and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. This is second number. Now if I multiply first equation with 4 and second equation with 3, so 4 into 1 implies 8x plus 12y equal to 44, and 3 multiplied by 2 implies 6x minus 12y equal to minus 72. Adding both of them, 12y and minus 12y will get cancelled. 14x equal to minus 28. So x equal to minus 2. Now putting x equal to minus 2 in 1 implies 2 into minus 2 plus 3y equal to 11. So 3y equal to 11 plus 4. So 3y equal to 15. So I can say y is 5. 15 upon 3 will be 5. Now putting both the values of x and y in the equation, y equal to mx plus c. So y is minus 1, y is 5 and x is minus 2. So here it will be phi equal to m into minus 2 plus c. Sorry, c is not given, it is 3. So putting now putting the value in y equal to mx plus 3. So y is 5, x is given as minus 2 plus 3. So 5 minus 3 upon minus 2 will be equal to m. So 2 upon minus 2 upon 2 will be m. So m will be equal to minus 1. Hence I got the value of. Now next question says solve by substitution method. 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3. So first of all, multiplying both equations by 10, I will get 2x plus 3y equal to 13. This is one number. And the second number will be 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Now solving one, I will have 2x equal to 13 minus 3y. So x equal to 13 minus 3y upon 2. So let me give this as 3 number. Putting 3 in 2. So 4 into 13 minus 3y upon 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are plus 5y equal to 23. So 26 minus 6y plus 5y equal to 23. So I can say 26 minus 23 equal to y. So y equal to 3. I got the value of y. Now putting y equal to 3 in 3. Putting y equal to 3 in 3. So x will be 13 minus 3 into 3 upon 2. So that will be 13 minus 9 by 2. So 4 by 2. So x equal to 2. So now I got x and y both the values. Now next question says find whether the following pair of linear equations is consistent or inconsistent. So for consistent, a1 upon a2 should be equal to b1 upon b2 should be equal to c1 upon c2. So now here if I do 3 upon 2 equal to 3 upon 2 equal to 15 by 10. So 5 twos are and 5 threes are. So all the three are consistent. So therefore equations are consistent. Now the next one says the system of linear equations represented by L and M is consistent with unique solution, inconsistent, consistent with three solutions, or consistent with many solutions. So it is consistent with unique solution as they meet at one point only. Next question is the values of k for which the system of equations 3x minus ky equal to 7 and 6x plus 10y equal to 3 is inconsistent. A minus 10, B minus 5, C 5 and D 7. So for an equation for inconsistent, A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 should not be equal to C1 upon C2. So 3 upon 6 equal to minus K upon 10 is not equal to 3 upon 7. It should be. So if I solve this, I will get K not equal to minus 5. So B option is the correct option.